Yo, what's good YouTube? It's boardzy, and this is just gonna be a video me going to Best Buy and getting the Shroud G303 because that's like the only thing that's been in my comments since the mouse released. Obviously me, man of the people, not getting sent shit by Logitech, not like Random Frank P, you know, I was just thinking about Random Frank P. But yeah, gonna go to the Subway, then to Best Buy, and then hopefully I get this Shroud mouse. Okay, now I'm on the platform waiting for the train, and the reason I'm vlogging this is because I want to get back into the swing of vlogs, because next month, December 18th, is FinalCon. Final Mouse is holding an event, and I'm going to be going and vlogging it. So I figure might as well unrust on the vlogging with this Shroud G303. Okay, I guess there really was not that much to vlog, because when I went into Best Buy, I had to show them my phone, so couldn't really record much. There's the Barclays Center. And yeah, I guess I'll turn this into an unboxing initial impressions. I'm at this farmer's market. Just gonna take an apple. I don't even know where I would pay for one. Who's gonna stop me? I can add the apple to the unboxing for when I get home. Never mind, I actually gave the apple to that homeless person. I'm not sure if you can see him, but yeah, I stole, then I gave back. Kind of like Robin Hood. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that random mini vlog. Here I am with the Shroud mouse ready to get to the mouse unboxing part of the video. Just like that, it opens up. You're presented with the Shroud G303. Let's get an honest first impressions of the shape. Okay, pretty weird. I honestly don't have the old G303 on hand to do a comparison. I lost it while moving, or I sold it a few months ago. Not sure which, but I have heard that this mouse does have increased dimensions, and it definitely does feel wider, especially at the bottom than I remember. Coming from the GPX, if that's what you're used to, the shape is going to feel bizarre. Just some button test, everything feels very well tensioned. It is Logitech, and it does seem like you are getting that Logitech build quality. That was awkward. This mouse is like 75 grams, I think. The dongle comes in the bottom. Does this shit pop out? Oh, fuck. Never mind, the dongle was not in the bottom. It was just in the packaging. Rookie mistake, but what was not a rookie mistake is actually one of the greatest inventions of our time, the USB-C cable. Logitech has finally included it. Logitech, if you're watching this video, thank you. In my year of using the GPX, having to charge it maybe like 10 times, God, I hated this micro USB cable. This USB-C peace of mind, whatever the fuck that means, thank you guys, thank you, from the bottom of my heart. But yeah, I guess time to plug this mouse in. I used the mouse for around 30 minutes in game, and I'm already definitely getting a better grip than I had right out of the box, which is why this video was mainly just to tell people that I have the mouse and do a quick unboxing if you want to see what is in this $130 box. But if you're looking for a traditional full review where I go over the features of the mouse and determine like whether or not it's worth it, whether or not it gets the seal of approval, that's probably around a week out, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. And also, that Bearded Bob G Pro X Superlight review coming soon on that as well. But yeah, so please stop asking me where the review is. You just saw I am a standard consumer, went to Best Buy, got the mouse, and now I'm going to use the mouse, then review the mouse. So yeah, like and sub if you enjoyed this video. That's going to be all. Peace.